So here's Adam's Holiday 2020 seasonal lineup of car care products. I got the full set, comes in a nice box, well presented. I would have done a full unboxing, but it's freaking freezing in here, so I kind of want to get through it. Anyway, let's start with their holiday scented car shampoo. Let's check it out. It smells nice. It's spicy. It's almost like, it's similar to the pumpkin spice detail spray, but a bit like it's pretty cinnamon. Like it's got a pretty cinnamon sort of smelt. There's that word again, smelt. It's got a very cinnamon smelt. Very nice. Really like it. And interesting, they're all the same color. They're all this kind of opaque white. Next up, we've got their CS3 holiday scent. Nice. That's a bit more peppermint. I mean, there's heavy clues on the labeling of each of these. This is a peppermint, like candy cane sort of scent, you know, kind of what, frankly, it's kind of what I expected they'd all smell like. Very nicely done, you know, a little on the subtle side, which is fine. Pretty good. All right, now their Holiday 2020 detail spray. Let's check this out. Kind of certain expectations. And yeah, it's there. It's, you know, there's sort of a gingerbread thing. Again, it leans on kind of the pumpkin spice. This generally smells like the inside of like a candle store or something like that, or maybe like a, you know, an arts and crafts kind of store. There tends to be a lot of that kind of scent. Pretty nice. I like it. And finally, the holiday interior detailer. Let's check this out. And that is a little different. Like it smells like pie, like pumpkin pie or apple pie. I guess it's probably, yeah, it's close to apple. I mean, it's actually, oh wow, it's weird how that kind of sneaks up on you, but yeah, that's definitely an apple pie, and it's on me. It's hand detailer now, but yeah, apple pie. Very nice. Once you connect it in your brain, you're like, no, that's all you can smell is apple pie. And so there you go. Adam's Holiday 2020 car detailing set. That's what it smells like. Have a good Christmas. Stay safe.